Hello guys and welcome back to another trade recap. So today we had some news come out. We had non-farm employment and unemployment rate. They both came out bearish for the dollar, so that means for the euro should have gone up today. However, we're not focused on the euro today as I did trade a bit of Asian session last night. And yeah, I took a trade on the dollar against the Japanese yen, USD JPY, and we're going to go over it. This is not normally my usual pair. However, this was a probable setup in my opinion, hence why I took it. And as we can see, the trade did go my way. But yeah, we'll get into how I came to terms with this. So establishing the bias, we'll just remove all drawings for now. This is when I started trading. The bias was obviously short, and even on the 1 hour coming into here, there was a huge pump, and I think I entered around here. Yeah, around here somewhere. That's where I entered. So there's this huge pump. However, that did not change the bias. The bias was still very much short, and coming in, we were looking at this liquidity sweep. I can just label it to make it a lot easier. Liquidity sweep, perfect. That 1 hour liquidity sweep got filled, and yeah, then I started to look for entries. No, let's go to the 5 minutes actually. So we had this nice liquidity sweep just here of this high. You might be asking, why are you talking about this high? However, this is how I found this order block just here, or this previous price action. So yeah, we had this order block here. I think I've labeled it order block, yeah, bearish order block. And we tapped into the order block and started reversing. And then I went down onto the 1 minute and I found an entry around here as we came to fill the fair value gap just here. And we respected it, and when we broke trend, which is around there, I took the trade. The stop loss was very wide purely because there was a 1 hour, or I think 15-minute or 1 hourly fair value gap. Let me have a look. Yeah, there was a fair value gap just here that I wanted to see get refilled. Or maybe on the 15 minutes. Yeah, sorry. There were 15 minutes fair value gap just here that got filled. And yeah, the stop loss was 20 pips. However, we were targeting really low. We targeted around 65 pips. So the risk to reward was 1 to 3, sorry. But yeah, overall it was a good trade. Things I could have done better was definitely get a better entry. I think the entry was a bit early. However, this isn't my pair. Of course, that's not an excuse. It doesn't really matter. The market doesn't care if it's your pair or not. But I could have gotten a better entry. If I zoom in onto the 1 minute and have a look at the price action, we can clearly see that this was a final sweep, and then it came back to fill the fair value gaps just here. An entry around here, pardon me, an entry around here somewhere would have been a bit better. However, I don't think it would have been about 5 pips. But yeah, I slept on this trade and I set TP1 just based on this low side liquidity. And yeah, I slept on it and I woke up to 2 TPs being hit. So I had the first one here. I should have covered that, to be honest. TP1, and then this would have been TP2. I made around $500 on this trade, which I was very satisfied with. But yeah, that was TP1, that was TP2. It was an overnight trade. It hit TP2 around 9-ish, 9 o'clock-ish. And yeah, there's not much to say. For the euro today, the euro had really messy price action, which I'm glad I wasn't trading. I didn't really take any trades today except for the one I took last night that we just reviewed. But yeah, this whole block of price action is just really messy, and it's just not something I want to touch. However, on the weekly, sorry, messing up a lot today. On the weekly, we do look bullish, so I can expect another bullish candle to the upside for the next week. But yeah, we'll see what price action gives us for next week. Let's see what news we have as well. We have no news on Monday, so Monday's going to be a trading day. Job openings on Tuesday, which I probably will trade. And then CPI, I won't be trading Wednesday. I won't be trading Thursday because there's PPI. And then Friday, probably won't be trading either. Depends on how price action is, but it's probably going to be really messy. So yeah, pardon me. The only 2 trading days for next week would be Monday and Tuesday. But yeah, we'll see what the market gives us. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this trade. And yeah, there's not much else to say about it. I think I've covered everything. But yeah, I hope you guys took some great trades today, and I hope you guys stuck to your rules. I did break my rules with trading this pair because I'm not usually supposed to be trading other pairs except euro against dollar. However, this was a really probable setup, and I did want to try this pair out. And yeah, here we go. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys succeed in your trades.